Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what in the open angle glaucoma, what are the clinical features of open angle glaucoma? A patient with open angle glaucoma will present with mild to moderate headache or eye ache is seen along with difficulty in reading, and close work is also decreased, and there is frequent change in presbyopic glasses and delayed dark adaptation are the main clinical features of open angle glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.